Hey, what's up? This is the Mountain Meathead, and I'm fresh off a trip, to say the least, has been the best motorcycling experience I've ever had on a road bike. Maybe on a motorcycle, period. So long story short, I had planned on leaving Western Maryland at 4:30 in the afternoon and riding the interstate all night to get to Florida and to stay there for a couple of days. But by the time I got to Roanoke, I decided to get a hotel because Florida just seemed too far away at that point. So my plans changed to go to the Tail of the Dragon. I got up at 8 a.m. the next morning, and I ripped the interstate from Roanoke to Bristol, and I stopped at the Speedway. I took a picture of the KLR under the big Bristol sign, and then I got back on the interstate, rode down 81, past Pigeon Forge and Gatlinburg, through Knoxville, towards the Tail. Even the road going out to the Tail is good riding. There's lakes on the side. It's just a beautiful ride, really. The first ride through, I got stuck behind two baggers, so it was a long, maybe 9 miles. I think I was 3 miles in when that happened. But it was still fun, even though it was slow. This video is actually of the trip back out of the Tail. This is from dealsgap going out, which is basically smooth sailing. I had a Harley wave me past, and I sent it from there on out. The Dragon's 318 curves in 11 miles. It would have been super fun on a road bike, honestly, but my KLR took the road a lot better than I thought that it would. I was actually impressed. I'm on a stock suspension, which I didn't expect to go well in the corners, but besides the front dive bombing, it was actually pretty fun. I'm running Motov's GPS tractionators, and they're good on the road, in my opinion, so that helped. I have an 08 and they all burn oil, but after 1,400 miles of all 80 mile per hour interstate in 3 days, it burned a half a quart, and most 08, 09, and 10s that don't have the 685 kit would usually drink about a gallon, so I was impressed with the KLR for sure. The Dragon was sweet, and dealsgap is definitely a place to check out. You'll likely see probably some supercars and some real sweet bikes that you never thought you'd see. It's an awesome atmosphere. They have some gift shops, a bunch of souvenirs. There's a gas station. You can rent places to stay down there. And then past dealsgap, you're in North Carolina, and you're passing lakes, and the roads are curvy, but not nearly as tight as what the Dragon were. And it's just beautiful. It's a great ride. I'm really happy that I rode out past the Dragon, the Tail of the Dragon, to see it. So don't miss that out. Don't miss out, oh my gosh, don't miss out on that during your visit there. I'll be going there yearly from here on out for sure, and I'm going again in a month or so. We're taking a vacation down there, so I'm gonna trailer my bike down instead of ride it this time. But I'm definitely gonna ride it again while I'm that close. It's worth it. But anyway, thanks for watching. Stay safe out there, guys, and have a good one from the Mountain Meathead. As always, sorry for the wind noise. I'm sure I'll still not have a helmet mic by the next video, but we'll see.